Hello everyone. I'm continuing with the series of videos about post-operation in imager200. In this video, I would like to go through the S3 AWS Simple Storage Service integration. As I showed before, so it's simple. You just need to go through the post-operation menu here and hit create, and you'd be given the list of available post operations. As you can see here, there are new ones available because I am on a paying plan. Only the Dropbox and G Drive are available for the free plan, so the rest are available on a paying plan. So first thing to do is to hit S3. You're gonna see some information here. I'll explain this later, but it's mainly related to permissions. So as you know, the AWS permission system allows you to fine-tune access for each user, and this user that you're gonna use here should have the right permissions to access to the bucket to which you're going to upload. There you go. So here is the main configuration for AWS. We're gonna need the access key, secrets, bucket name, bucket region as well, and if you want to add some metadata, that's possible as well. So I'm just gonna use some random path here, and for this we need to create a new user. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to AWS and create a new user. So to do so, you have to go to the IAM service, or Identity Access Management service in AWS, and you have to create a user. It's quite simple, but the complicated part is the access or the policy, the access policy that you need to configure. So I'm just gonna call it demo. I don't need console access, just programmatic access. It's up to you what you choose here. And about this, then you have to create your own policy, or attach a new attach a policy from existing ones. I'm gonna create a new policy just for the sake of demonstration. So I already have here all the policy payload. I'm just gonna paste it here. So mainly the most important things that you need are put object and put object ACL. Of course, this is not useful all the time, but just if you're going to use the ACL, so you're gonna choose the object is available to the public or private, or yeah, or just accessible by you or accessible by some other users. There are lots of available options, or this one is just for putting the objects, but you can also do just a star if you want everything to be available. And this is the name of the buckets to which I'm going to upload, and /star just for nested paths if you wanna upload to nested paths. There we go. I created the policy. I don't need tags. I'm just gonna call it current demo, and let's go ahead and create it. Afterwards, I'll be able to find it here, and I can add it to my user. So here's the policy that I created. And finally, tags for the user we don't need as well. And we're ready to go now. So I have the user access. I need to copy it here. It's also possible to download it if you want to save it for later. Bucket name is this one, and the bucket region, which is also important, is US East, because this allows the client to determine which region is the buckets. Of course, the buckets are unique. There is no regions, but I mean there is no multiple buckets per region with the same name, but multiple buckets in different region with the same name. But still, this is needed by the AWS clients to upload. I would like to add some metadata, especially the ACL, because we need to access the file right from the command line or from any HTTP client. So I'm gonna call it public read. Not call it. This is by default in Amazon. So this is a provided ACLs. So with this option, you can set the ACLs, but there are also other provided metadata options. There we go. So we should be ready right now to create our post operation. Here it is. Let's go ahead and give it a try. I just need to paste the post operation ID here, and I'm gonna add something important to our test, because we will not know the name of the file when we upload. So I'm gonna use this special header. This is also an option if you want to use it. This upload file name allows you to specify exactly the name of the file, and it has priority over the naming conventions that you can configure in post operations that I showed in previous videos. So in this one, you could choose the name of the file directly, and without image extension, of course. So I'm going to use it because we will need it to access the file name. I'm going to call it demo equalize. And for the operation here, I chose equalize, which is well, a type of optimization that allows you to get better color on your image. It does histogram equalization, and we're ready to run the operation. Go for it. Okay, let's do a quick check if our operation succeeded. There we go. It should be succeeded. So what we can do to check is just simply do a curl head first on our image. Here's the bucket address, and our path was demo, and our file name was equalize.jpg. Forbidden. Did I miss something? Let's check. This is the file name. Let's check again the AWS folder. Yes, this is the folder, the right folder. Normally it should. it should work. Oh, there we go. It was the extension of the file. So here's our file. So we got a 200. Here's the a tag. Here's the content type that is set automatically for you by imager200. And if I do wget, I should be able to see the image right away. There you go, our image with the histogram equalization. As you can see, the colors are slightly better compared to the original. If we compare, and this is for the S2 post operation. Thank you for watching, and see you in future post operation demonstration. Bye.